I have something very special for you. Now, my name is Dr. Cooper-Dockery, and I like to emphasize plant-based whole food nutrition because we know that that can actually reduce your risk for chronic diseases. However, what can you eat that is sweet or unhealthy for you? So I have a guilt-free ice cream. Ice cream, I said, I am doing ice cream on the show today. I will be doing banana papaya ice cream. And for the recipe, you can find it in my cookbook, Incredibly Delicious Vegan. So what do you need for this recipe? Not much. You need a high-speed blender. You need some frozen banana, 4 cups of frozen banana cut in pieces, then 3 cups of ripe frozen papaya, 3 tablespoonfuls of non-dairy milk powder, and of course, about 1/2 cup to 3/4 cup of nut milk. So let's begin. This is actually very delicious. So we're going to place our frozen fruits here in the blender. And sometimes there might be a little bit of difficulty getting everything blended, but just be patient. It is actually delicious. So we're putting a ripe banana, frozen, and these bananas should be very ripe. And then we're going to add our milk. And this time I'm using almond milk. So I'm going to add this. I'm going to blend that, and at the end, I put the milk powder. So let's see what happened here. All right, let's see if this thing works. All right, we are going to start. Okay. All right, we're going to blend this. Okay, hold on. Okay, got it. Now you can stop and check. You might need to give it a little spin. So I'm going to get a spoon and we're going to spin this around. All right. And we need to continue to blend this until we get it the way we want it. So let me push this down and we're going to blend again. It's really delicious. You know, my kids love ice cream, and when I make this, they don't know what it is. All right. So let's blend this again. Very delicious. Okay. All right, so it is done. I'm going to serve the ice cream. Let's take this off, get back here in the middle. And this is actually fantastic. Let's try. You put a scoop in here. You can have this with some nice, delicious vegan cake. This is my final product. I'm going to be doing 2. All right, this is really good. So if you want to eat something healthy but sweet, guilt-free, no cholesterol, no sugar, this is the way to go. You can keep this in the refrigerator, harden it up somewhat, and you're ready to go. This is our vegan ice cream. Very, very delicious.